Alright, today, or the other day, I picked up this poster collection from my local card shop. So we're gonna open it up. Might not be able to fit everything in the frame. Oh yeah, that's gonna be difficult. It's got giant ass poster. I can't fit that in the frame, but I'll try. So, might not be able to see it all, but it's got like cards on the back too. It's pretty dope. And comes with I can get them out, jeez. Alright. So I'm gonna show code card first. Comes with 3 promos. Tepig, Snivy, Oshawott. Get those in some sleeves. Alright. Comes with 4 packs. Got 2 Black Bolt, 2 White Flare. I'll be opening these over the next couple days because I don't really got enough time. Gotta try and make this quick, I'm running out of time for this. Code card. Fighting Energy. Gothita. Vanillite. Joltik. Ferroseed. Lipard. Durant. Excelgor. Boldor. Zweilous. And Whimsicott EX. Alright.